My name is Mary Vivian, and this is an urgent message and plea for support or help concerning my present crises. My mother and I are victims of the illegal and unethical way the Martinez Superior Probate Court was able to take control of my family's assets, their property, and the medical decision-making power of my mother, even though I am granted the durable medical power of attorney, which has been ignored. Is it just me, or are there others who have been treated unfairly by the court system? My brother petitioned the court for conservatorship on December 26, 2008. On January 7, 2009, he was granted. 4 days later, he died. His purpose was that he was deep in debt and he was looking for a way out. Without informing me that this was going on, there was a secret hearing with Commissioner Don Green that granted Magani Abbas a control over my mother. Without record or transcript of what transpired in this hearing, everything was set into place without my knowledge. Magani Abbas is a real estate lawyer, not family law. Her assignment to my mother was basically to protect her against me. In the court records, in the documents, it was stated that there was no suitably reasonable family member, therefore it was necessary to put private fiduciaries in place. With the permission and ruling of Commissioner Don Green, they were able to bring in 3 more people on the payroll. So now there's an attorney for my mother, there's a conservator for the person of my mother, there's a conservator for the estate, and there's an attorney for the conservator of the estate, and a caseworker, all on payroll to get their money from the family trust. Judge Joyce Cram, Family Court Martinez, granted Alan Statman, already conservator for the estate, also as the successor trustee. This allows him to continue to rob the estate until every penny is gone, even though both of my parents may have gone on. With this appointment of him as successor trustee by Judge Joyce Cram, even upon the demise of my mother, the conservatorship will dissolve, but the successor trustee will be in place until every penny is gone. I am being robbed of my inheritance. I am being robbed of all of the hard work that my family has done in order to pass down what they have earned to their legacy. Magani Abbas is the real estate lawyer, and on the meeting that I had with her, she stated, when this is over, there will be nothing left in that house. She was capable of saying that because this is what they do. They go and take people's property by the sanction of the probate court system. They are working together as if it's a club. More than any other issue here is my mother. My mother is in a nursing home. There is no reason whatsoever why she can't be cared for one-on-one in her home with 24-hour excellent care. Presently, I am traveling an hour and a half each way to see my mother. The court has granted the conservators $125,000 to put in their pockets, and another $125,000 that they have unlimited control to use as they see fit. I requested car fare to go back and forth to see my mother, and I was denied. I know there are many people who have been robbed. of their inheritance by the corruption of the judicial system. Legislative change is necessary to prevent further abuses of the court system, as in this case. According to the Constitution of the United States of America, I was denied equal protection under the law. I was denied due process and due diligence. Blatant disregard for the law by the courts is a travesty to the American judicial system. It's time we support each other, because until we do, this will continue to happen to families from now on, and no changes will be made. It is not right that we should be subjected to the powers of the court system and the corruption and the greed that they are handing out to people who cannot defend themselves for lack of money. Thank you.
If you or someone you know are experiencing a family member or friend that is being taken advantage of by the judicial system, please send your comments to judicialtheft@aol.com. We urge you to sign the petition at www.ipetitions.com under the name Judicial Theft. It's time we stick together and put an end to this madness. Liberty and justice for all.